Welcome. In this video lecture, I am going to talk about what is business analytics, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, and data mining, and how these concepts are related with each other. So, if we are saying that what is basically business analytics or a data science, so they are basically help in discovering the useful information from the big data, so they are getting the information or they are extracting the information from the data for efficient analyzing the data with the help of artificial intelligence, machine learning, data mining, and statistical methods, or you can say models or the algorithms. Using the algorithms of the artificial intelligence, machine learning, data mining, and statistics. So basically, data science as well as the business analytics, they are extracting the information from the data related to the particular problem, whether it is related to image recognition, whether it is to predicting the demand, or whether it is planning something. So let's first of all start what is the meaning of the data mining and the statistics. So basically, data mining and statistics is basically talking about how we can collect the data, how we are going to clean the data, and then analyzing the data in order to unfold the interesting pattern and trends in the data. So that means the process in data mining and statistical process is in the domain of data science and business analytics is we started from the reality, or that means particular business problem or whatever the kind of problem we are facing. Then we collect the data about that particular problem against different features, or you can say different factors. Okay, after collecting the data from multiple sources, maybe some are related to text related data. Okay, some we are collecting from different sources of the data. So after collecting the data, we are processing the data. That means we may combine those data set into a one data set that after combining them, we are doing the cleaning part, which means is there any missing values? We are trying to remove those missing values, or we are dealing those missing values, such as is there any duplicate values, so how we can deal those one. So after the cleaning, we are performing the explanatory data analysis, which means we are performing some descriptive the data visualization. Okay, and then we are trying to building some models and the algorithms. Okay, so models and algorithm could be the statistical models, could be the data mining models, such as related to the classification, maybe regression related models, or the algorithms, maybe cluster analysis algorithms. Okay, maybe the predictive perspective like the neural networks. Okay, so once we build the model, and then we are basically generating some report, and that report are going to be communicating. Okay, so obviously based on those results and the report, we are making the decision. So this is basically the process of the data mining and the statistics. Okay, so if we are going to add after this one, so right from collecting the data and building the models such as neural network models and algorithms, we are generating the data production. So this entire process is known as the machine learning. So what is the machine learning is basically it is a self-based algorithm, or you can say the method which basically learn from the previous data patterns and then generate, or you can say predict the future. Okay, so that particular algorithm is basically learn from the previous data and then predicting the future. So obviously in a machine learning, the data mining and the statistics part is the part of the machine learning. That's why we are saying it is starting from this to this data production. And after getting that data, so basically we are predicting the future. That data must be linked with the reality. Okay, which means we are basically predicting what is going to be happen in the future based on the pattern we have learned from the previous. Okay, so this part is called as the machine learning. Okay, and then we have the deep learning. So basically deep learning is the subset of the machine learning. So over here, we are basically using the more complex and the large data set, and we are using more complex type of neural network. Okay, and based on that, basically we are getting the data production, which means we are producing what is going to be happen in the future, and we are trying to develop some intelligent systems or the intelligent agents. Okay, uh, which is basically the deep learning part. Okay, so that means deep learning is the part of the machine learning, but in a deep learning, we are using more complex situations. Okay, we are building more complex type of the neural networks. Okay, then so what is AI? AI is basically starting from over here, which mean model building algorithms to neural network, and in the end we have the agents. So how we can define AI? Basically, any particular machine which is able to mimic the human behavior. Okay, develop or demonstrate the human behavior, that is called as the artificial intelligence, such as the example of IBM Watson machine. Okay, similarly IBM Watson for supply chain planning and so on. Okay, and in the end, so this data production and AI is must be representing the reality from where we have collected the data. Okay, so this is what is the data science and the business and analytics. So if we are dealing with the particular data science or the analytics problem, so how we are going to start particular problem. Okay, and in the end we are basically would be able to describe the things. We are building the models, which mean we are going to diagnosing the things, we are predicting the things. Okay, we are getting the optimizing the results, and those results must be representing the reality. So thank you so much. I hope you got the idea what is business analytics, data science, machine learning, AI, deep learning, and data mining, and how these concepts are related with each other. Thank you so much.